Okay, there is some stuff and tool we need to crochet. First is polyester yarn and then crochet hook. Before we using crochet hook, better check the type of your yarn. If you are use polyester yarn, use crochet hook number 3 or number 4. And last but not least is matches. We use matches rather than scissors to cut the yarn because if we use scissors, the yarn will not perfectly cut. Before we learn about crocheting, first we'll explain to you to hold the crochet hook and the yarn. To hold the hook is like this, like holding the pen, and to hold the yarn is first take the yarn between your little finger and ring finger and circle it to little finger to index finger. Okay, let's start crocheting. First, we'll make a slip knot. First, make the hook downward like this. Turn it, hold it, and hook it up to the yarn. Put it into the hole and take it out. Next, we're gonna make a chain stitch. First, hook the yarn into the crochet hook. Take it out from the hole. Hook it, take it out again. And this is the result. Okay, next we're gonna making single crochet. To make single crochet, we need one additional chain. First, put it to the second hole. Hook the yarn to the crochet hook and take it out from the hole. So there is two yarn that hook to the crochet hook. Hook it again and take it out from the both hole. Do the same thing until it's enough for you. And then cut it with matches. So this is the result. Next, we're gonna make half double crochet. We need to make several chain first and 2 extra chain. Let's start make half double crochet. First, wrap the yarn to the hook. Put into the third hole. Hook the yarn into crochet hook and take it out from the both hole. So there is 3 yarn that hook to the crochet hook. And then hook it and put it into the both hole. Do it until it's enough for you. And this is the result. Cut it with matches. Okay, next we're gonna make double crochet. Make some chain first. To make double crochet, we need 3 additional chains. Make double crochet at the 4th chain. Wrap the yarn and put it into the 4th hole. Hook the yarn to crochet hook and take it out. To make half double crochet, we make it out from the both hole. But for double crochet, first take it out from only 2 holes. Hook the yarn and take it out from the both hole. Do till it's enough for you. Add one more chain to cut and cut it with matches. So there is the result. Last but not least, we're gonna make triple crochet. Make several chain first and we're ready to start to make triple crochet. First, wrap the yarn twice. Put the crochet hook to the 5th hole. Hook the yarn and take it out. So there is 4 yarn that hook to the crochet hook. Take only 2 yarn first. Hook it again and take it out from the both hole. And this is the result. And cut it with matches. So this is the result for our whole tutorial. First there is chain stitch and then single crochet, half double crochet, and the last is triple crochet.